So my name is Xavier Demolera-Dujeu. I'm a senior staff scientist at Life Technologies. It kind of all started with a survey that we conducted last year when we wanted to understand what are the pain points in different molecular biology protocols. And when we found out, what came out of the open analysis were transfections, which we thought was pretty routine, but people had a lot of problem with reproducibility. They were not getting the result they were supposed to get. So this kicked off a new program here that we wanted really to drill down the different factors that affect the transfections. And there's a lot of factors that can affect the transfection. So it took quite a while, but we wanted to understand, what's the importance of cell type on transfections, cell passages. Do you really need to optimize to get successful transfections? What's the difference between DNA and siRNA? What buffer you use? All kind of different conditions, all kind of factors such as incubations, etc. So we wanted to drill this down and really study it. And the goal was to, at the end, find out, okay, these are the key factors that you need to optimize and you need to really pay attention to. But at the end of the day, what we want to do is people to be the most successful with the transfections with the least amount of effort. And so that's how we came up with this new protocol that is much clearer, better colors, and really that allows you to do only one experiment and then you will be successful with it. We kind of simplify, to a much clearer, much cleaner format that really allow anybody to do a transfection very easy. But it's not only this. It's not only a cosmetic change with pretty colors. It's really focusing on the key factors for a transfection. So when you do this protocol, you should be successful right off the bat. We actually done a lot of work. Because there's so many factors that can affect your transfections, from the way you grow your cells, to the way you mix, to the way you incubate, we really need to understand every factor. So to understand every factor, you really have to test every factors. And the problem, they kind of interact with each other. So really one of the only way to study all those variables at the same time is to do design of experiments in which you can assess multiple variables at the same time. So we've done all this in the lab, on the wet lab, doing all the transfections and testing all those parameters. And then we plot them out and we rank each variable in terms of importance. We give this new protocol for three of our main products. One is lipofectamine 2000. This is the one I just showed you. And the other one is lipofectamine LTX, which is a new DNA delivery reagent that we recently launched. And then the third one is lipofectamine RNA Max, which is a reagent specifically for siRNA microRNA delivery.